Hi, it's Justin with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida, showing you a brand new 2023 Boston Whaler 350 Realm. Boat's powered with triple white V8 300 horsepower Mercury Verado engines with joystick piloting. Coming in, you got a nice size cockpit here. Cockpit table goes right here. This seat will flip backwards. We have a large pull-out transom bench seat right here. Covers for everything. This all comes off and keep the cushions looking really nice. Barbecue grill. $230 quart insulated cooler. Easy to grab drinks. If someone's sitting here, you don't need them to get up. If you want to load it, this whole thing will open right up and you can load it right there. Fit a lot of drinks, a lot of food. Great for extended trips. Coming forward, you can see on the port side we have a nice dive door with the grab handle for when you get in and out of the water. Dive ladder will go right into the floor there. Great place to get in and out of the boat. Dynamic seating, so this seat will flip forward. Now everyone in here, you have air conditioning blowing up right here at these vents at your feet. Air conditioning in the whole entire cockpit. Take a look up top. Large, oversized hardtop platinum gel coat, which matches the outside color of this boat. We also have outriggers included with this boat, as well as JL audio system, subwoofer, upgraded sound system. Really rocks. Cockpit refrigerator right here. So while you're driving, if you wanted to get a sandwich or a drink, it's right next to you. Also air conditioning at the helm. Twin 16-inch flush-mounted Marine screens, fish finder, GPS. Also can control the electronic equipment, lights, etc. on the boat. This boat's also equipped with a Seakeeper stabilizer, Seakeeper 3, so it can eliminate the pitch and roll, making for a very comfortable boat ride. Let's go forward. You're going to see how deep the gunnels are here as I walk forward. You got grab handles everywhere you need them. Comes up over to my waist and goes higher at the bow, so you can feel safe if you have kids or family members. If you're out in the ocean, they can still traverse this area in rough water and not have to worry about falling overboard. And we have seat cushion covers for everything here, so this will stay nice and protected. We also have an electrically actuated table in the bow. We push a button, this goes down and turns into a large sunbed. You can also let it go up and you have a nice teak table for a nice dining experience on the bow. Let's go downstairs and show you the cabin. Going down here, you can take a look down there. We have a seating area that transitions into a bed. As well, if you go down there, you can take a look at the separate bathroom. Shower, flip down seat, and a vacuum flush toilet with a hand basin next to it. Again, this is Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach, showing you a brand new Boston Whaler 350 Realm. If you have any questions or like to set up a showing in person, give me a call at 954-633-2070.